for apple, red and round. B is for ball, it rolls on the ground. C is for cat, with the quiet purr. D is for drum, with the magical stir. E is for egg, it starts to shake. Lanterns glowing in the night. Dinos learning with delight. Jungle dreams from A to Z. Sing along so happily. F is for fish, swimming by. G is for gift, with a glowing tie. H is for hat, big and tall. I is for igloo, cold for all. J is for jet, zooming past the trees. Lanterns glowing in the night. Dinos learning with delight. Jungle dreams from A to Z. Sing along so happily. K is for kite, flying high. L is for leaf, drifting by. M is for moon, shining bright. N is for nest, tucked in tight. O is for owl, who hoots. Woo! Lanterns glowing in the night. Dinos learning with delight. Jungle dreams from A to Z. Sing along so happily. Key is for pen, riding slow. Q is for queen, with a royal glow. R is for rainbow, across the sky. S is for sun, shining high. E is for tree, where birds sing loud. Lanterns glowing in the night. Dinos learning with delight. Jungle dreams from A to Z. Sing along so happily. U is for umbrella when skies turn gray. V is for violin, softly we play. W splashing free. X is for xylophone, notes of glee. Y is for yak, with fuzzy hair. Z is for zebra, with stripes to spare. We've learned our letters, A to Z, with dino dreams beneath the trees. Come back soon and sing with glee. At Little Star Rhymes, where learning's free. Help, and always 100% at free.